Hello, everyone. In this video, I want to show you how you can create your own Chrome extension using ChatGPT 4.0. The process is easy, but you will need an upgraded version of ChatGPT. What are we going to learn today? We are going to learn 1. How to create your own Chrome extension using ChatGPT 4.0. 2. How to publish your Chrome extension in the Chrome store. Now let's go. Step 1. Log into ChatGPT and use ChatGPT 4.0. Step 2. We will need ChatGPT to create the files for our Chrome extension based on the prompt below. Develop an extension how your extension should work, its features, and how can you use it. Generate the complete code, organize all the files into a folder, and create a downloadable folder named name of extension. Step 3. For my case, I created a URL shortener, so I used this prompt below. Develop an extension that provides a quick way to shorten URLs using popular URL shortening services like tinyurl. This can be useful for sharing links on social media or via email. Generate the complete code, organize all the files into a folder, and create a downloadable folder named URL shortener. What is a URL shortener? URL shortener is a convenient tool that allows you to quickly shorten any URL using tinyurl. It is perfect for sharing links on social media, email, or any other platform where long URLs are cumbersome. In a nutshell, URL shortener shortens long URL and make it shorter. Step 4. Proceed by downloading the files created by ChatGPT. Extract all from a zip file and saved on your computer. Step 5. Click on the extension icon on Chrome. Click on Manage Extensions. Step 6. Enable developer mode. Click on Load Unpacked, then select and upload the file you downloaded from ChatGPT. The results. Immediately, my Chrome extension becomes active, accessible from Chrome, and ready to use. How to publish your extension in the Chrome Store. How to create a developer account. Go to the Chrome Web Store Developer Dashboard and sign up. Pay a one-time developer registration fee to join the Chrome Web Store Developer Program. Fill in info. In your dashboard, upload the zip file downloaded from ChatGPT. Fill in all information about the extension as seen on your dashboard. In your dashboard, upload the zip file downloaded from ChatGPT. Fill in all information about the extension as seen on your dashboard. Publish and wait for approval. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.